Our gold price is going to crash in the month of November, or we are going to look forward to another exciting greener candle here taking the prices towards 3000. What are the factors which are going to impact the price of gold in the month of November, and what are the charts and indicators are suggestive of? Everything we're going to see with the help of detailed analysis on multiple time frames and arrive at the levels and conclude the direction of gold for the month of November and in the coming week. This is a monthly and weekly review. I do share my daily updates of gold as well. First with the Asia session, in fact, twice a day. Next with the US session. And also, I give you a reasoning for you to take a position such that you can trade profitably and comfortably every day. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Also, do join the free Telegram channel where you get the live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably and comfortably throughout the coming month. Do watch till the end. Let's start. Now, let's have a look at the charts since 2000, or this is almost a 25-year time frame. Look at the formation. Let me draw, or let me simplify it for you. Look at this. This is the first wave, second wave, and then this third wave has initiated. Now, when you the slope here, just observe the graphs here. This is how it has been trading. Just look at the slope. This is bit vertical here, and this is still having room for ups. Also, this is a breakout. See, these are the two peaks which we had seen in the recent time frames over last 15 years, and it has breached this peak. Thus, this is also a breakout. In the beginning of last year, I have mentioned that we are looking forward to a greater rise in gold prices, but in fact, it has surpassed the projections beyond 2500, 2600. It has already moved towards 2790. Now, look at the near term, how it has been trading. Let's observe this as well. See, this is the first rise, this is the consolidation zone, and this is the second leg of rising. If you look at the move here and here, almost 40 to 50% yield here and 40 to 50% yield here as well. Now, this also calls for the prices to start retracing. And when you connect the dots here, you will find that this is how it is been trading here. Look at this. Isn't the channel looks beautiful? Where are the lows towards? Now, 2200, 2400 are the lows. If it starts to retrace, maybe in the year 2025 we can see that happening. If it starts the reversal process here, it may take few months and make the base as around 2500, 2200, 2400 levels and hit the zone before reversing. So yes, it is a bull run which is going to which is right now going on. But if you look at the waves, we can expect the retracement move now. And now coming back to the near term, if you look at the near term here, look at the charts, just observe the last 3 monthly candles, and when you connect the lows and the highs, you will find all of these are beautifully connected here. Where are the highs towards? The highs are towards 2900, and once you see the price trading beyond 2800, 2820, we can expect another bullish candle here where we are looking forward to 2900, 2920. At the same time, remember the levels, 2700 first, 2600 second. If these two levels are taken, if you see a bearishness here, and if these two levels are taken, expect that gold is going to hit first 2640, and then we are looking forward to 2600, 2580. Now, once 2580 is taken is where we are looking forward to a greater correction in the gold prices, where the targets are going to be deeper and lower towards 2500. Right now, I will say the factors are not very much supportive of such a strong reversal, but I will definitely say that gold has seen a very good bull run, and a retracement has to be there sooner or later. I have mentioned in my last monthly update as well and my September monthly update as well. I have always mentioned that it is only a matter of time and the point from where it starts to reverse, but it is not going to take much time and the reversal has to initiate soon. I hope the November is the month from which it can happen. Possibility is there. But let's have a look what indicators are suggesting. All these months it has been trading outside Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands have expanded exponentially and it is still having room for further rise. However, look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period. Where is the 20 period sitting at? 2200, 2300 zone, which is a far below level. And if you look at the movement, whenever you see a little divergence here, it calls for it to converge. And thus this time I look forward to a possibility of a retracement from here. Yes, the monthly stochastic is also at an extremely overbought zone. And if you look at history, whenever you see such highs, the chances of reversal increases. Look at MACD is also at historically high levels at plus 200. The blue line has already achieved plus 200. And if you look at the wave first, second, and this third, so now it will initiate the reversal process here or the retracement process here. May take some time for it to cross over and then can form a graph like this, where we are looking forward to a correction in gold prices very, very, very soon. Too much of divergence here between the red and green line and the height of the candle. This all suggests that the chances of reversal are very high, and only thing which can keep it alive or bullish is a news which is not favorable for the equity markets, and the money flow starts to happen in gold again. So this is one thing which you should keep a note of. If you look at the RSI, see the highs here, then this, then the peak and the retracement, then the peak and the retracement, peak and the retracement. And if you look at the levels here, almost it is at the same zone and it is starting to look upwards. However, there is a slight room as well before it looks over to reversal. Current levels are also very good for it to start reversal, and at best it can stretch for the month of November on the upside. So yes, we have to be definitely cautious at the current levels. Coming to the week, look at the weekly charts here. See this rise here. This was bit vertical, then retracement, and now the slope has changed to slightly a gradual rise here. Now, yes, it is still trading in the bullish channel. Where are the lows? First, it needs to break below 2640 levels. That will confirm its further movement towards 2600, 2580. And if it breaks below this, we can look forward to 2500 as the next milestone. Too far below level, but yes, achievable as well. Now look at the movement: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now this is again third candle in succession here. Every three candles we look forward to a slight retrace. So coming week possibly is going to begin or bring slight bearishness. That is my expectation. If you also look at, this is formed a classical shooting star or reversal confirmation, reversal candle here. So once it breaks below 27, you can say that the reversal process has begun on in gold. And once it breaks below 2640, we can say this is the beginning of the retracement in gold prices, where the lows could be at around first target should be at around 2550, 2500, and in fact lower levels are also possible. Next thing to note here is the weekly stochastic is also an extremely stretched overbought zone, which calls for it to show a pullback. When you talk about the observation on the MACD is similar. See the stretched rise here, and these are the highs we have not seen historically. But yes, every rise has to come with a pullback. But when you see the candle sizes here, see the body size of this candle, look at this run and look at this run. It has still room for further rise. And this is also one of the signs that there could be a stretch move. However, I am still not very much in favor of this. And if you look at the RSI, see RSI is also stretched. This is at an overbought zone. Whenever you see such peaks, it calls for it to start showing reversal or start reversing here. Whenever historically such peaks are seen, it always follows with a retracement or a reversal here. And this is not going to be another exception. I do not see it stretching the bullishness like this, because this is a vertical rise. This calls for a vertical pullback as well. This is one very good sign that we can expect the retracement process from here. Now coming to the day, when you see the daily charts, first, second, and this is the third top, at this point itself I've shown and shared in my daily updates that gold is willing to retrace. But I can also notice a very good support coming in for gold till towards 2720, 2700 zone. This is a very good support zone, and this is also going to be the bottom of the channel here. So once it comes out of this once gold prices trades below this channel, the possibility will be high that we can see 2680, 2650, 40, and then 2600 levels as the next target. Yes, it could correct vertically and it can achieve the targets very, very soon. The second thing to note here is, see, despite it staying the bearish, you can see a very good support coming in here towards 2730 and 2720 zone, and thus in the coming week we have to be specifically cautious. Again, the stance or the near term projections can be bearish, but we have to respect the levels. We have to see how the markets are trying to behave. Largely, I will say you have to be cautious on the upside, but it is not that you should close your eyes towards the upside. If it is rising, we have to go for buying it. But I will say the run cannot or should not continue for a while. It cannot stretch this run for a while. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards, trading bearish. Look at the MACD crossing over here, delivering the third wave, first, second, third. This crossover here can initiate the reversal process here. If you look at the formation rise, retracement, the crossover here can lead to lower lows. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4, look at the 4-hour charts, drop, retracement towards 20 period, drop again. Just let it trade below 2730 and then 2720 in the coming week. Possibility of a move towards 2700 will increase. And if you see a movement below 2700, whenever you see gold trading below 2700, remember again that now the bears will try to take over 2680, 2650, 40, and then 2600 levels are going to be very easily achievable targets in the month of November itself. See, the rise was bit gradual since 2400, 2500. We have seen it taking a bit of time, but then the fall can be vertical here. Yes, it could correct in a single candle as well. So this is something you should keep a note of. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossing over. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD and RSI both are trading bearish. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strength such that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I provide you the, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, higher leverage, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It is very, very important for you to have a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy with global presence. Do not miss to join. Save much of your money in terms of the fees you pay to your brokers. Join it today and enjoy trading. First, let's talk about the buy side. See, the view here is that the bulls are exhausted, but these are market. You have to respect the levels. And thus, first, when you look about, when you talk about the buying, I will only recommend a buy here at 2754 levels, where we can expect 2762 and then 2772 84 or 74. Now all of these are greater resistance levels than 2780 and then 2790. Once it trades beyond 2790, the chances will be high that this time we are looking forward to 2805, 2818. And if you see a move beyond 2818, just negate all the bearish views, just negate that there is going to be a crash in making, just negate the views that there is going to be a drop in gold prices. We are looking forward to then 2850, 2880, and then 2900 levels here. Remember, anything and everything is possible. These are on the downside. Now a selling entry is at 2728. Expect 2720 first target, 2714 next, and then 2700 2702 will appear. Now this is going to be the prime level which will drive or which will initiate the bearish out there, and we can look forward to a move towards 2684 first target, then 26. I think below this the chances will be high that we may see a move towards 2650, 2640. This is going to be an achievable level, greater resistance. After this we are looking forward to 2622 and then 2600. In the month of November it is possible that it trades beyond 2600 as well. 2580 the next target will come into picture, and then we are looking forward to 2550. Below this, just the next target is 2500 levels. Though it is going to be difficult for gold to correct 10% in the month of November, but yes, once it kicks in with the bearish process, once it kicks in with the retracement process, I think we are looking forward to a move which is going to take it towards 2600, 2500 zone at least. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you. And a month of November which is going to remain profitable for you as usual. Thank you.